Hi guys! Welcome to Jorarjoy's Life Blog. Today, we will learn basic Cebuano Bisaya, the common words. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Oo means yes. Dili means no. UNSA means what. NGANO means why. UNSA means how. KANUS-A means when. ASA means where. SALAMAT means thank you. PALIHUG means please. Why problema means no problem. Wala ko kahibalo means I don't know. Kasabot ka nako means do you understand me? Kasabot ko means I understand. Another term for UNSA is pardon. Remember earlier, we also have UNSA means what. It's a matter of choice of words within the conversation. HUWAT means just a moment. KINSA means who. Like, KINSA ka. Who are you? PILA KABUOK means how many. Like, pila kabuok ang imong lapis is how many pencils do you have? TAGPILA man means how much. It's like TAGPILA man ni is equivalent to how much is this? Thanks for watching guys, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.